Hi guys, today's lesson is called Measuring Tools. Well, we will learn about length measuring tools and mass measuring tools. First with length measuring tools. We use two tools to measure the length of the objects around us. The first tool called graduated ruler, and this is your graduated ruler. You can say measuring ruler or just ruler. Okay, as you see, it's very small. So we use the ruler to measure small lengths. So graduated ruler, it's a tool used to measure small lengths, like the length of your pencil or pen and the length of your book. Actually, the length of all the small objects. So, small objects around us, if you want to know the length of them, we use the ruler. Okay, if I want to measure the dimensions of my room or my class or the length of my street, we can't use the ruler. So, what should I do? You should use graduated tape, and this is the graduated tape. Okay, so it's the tool used to measure big lengths, but ruler for small lengths, tape for big lengths, like the length of your class or your room and the length of the street. So easy. Now guys, it's time for mass measuring tools. We use two tools too. First, common balance or two panes balance. This is your common balance. We use the common balance to measure the mass of vegetables and fruits. And of course, they are big masses, not small masses. So, common balance, it's a tool used to measure big masses, like the mass of vegetables, fruits, cheese, and fish. What about small masses? We use sensitive balance, as you see, to measure small masses of very small objects. Small objects like what? Like the mass of gold and jewelry. Of course, if you want to buy a necklace, the jeweler uses his sensitive balance to measure the mass of your necklace. And we use the sensitive balance to measure the mass of chemicals in the lab. Of course, scientists do their experiments in the lab. They needed to determine the mass of chemicals, so they use sensitive balance to determine the mass of chemicals. Okay guys, so the common balance for big masses, but the sensitive balance for very small masses. Okay guys, that's it. Best of luck.